Welcome to today's training presentation, where we explore the dynamic role of a second Commis cook, a culinary apprentice with a passion for precision and a thirst for knowledge. In the heart of every culinary masterpiece, there's a team of unsung heroes, and the second Commis cook is one such hero. Today, we dive deep into the definition and details of what it means to be a second Commis cook. Their journey begins with mastering the fundamentals, precise knife skills and culinary techniques that lay the foundation for greatness. In a bustling kitchen, organization is their superpower. They ensure every element is in place, contributing to kitchen efficiency. But what truly sets them apart is their insatiable thirst for learning. They absorb wisdom from experienced chefs, growing with each task. Job title: Second Commis cook. Place of work: kitchen. Scope and general. Purpose of job: to prepare food items in any section of the kitchen assigned by sous chef, chef de partie, and according to standard recipes. Responsible to: sous chef, chef de partie. Responsible for: none. Main duties: 1. Execute all food productions for banquet functions, restaurants, guest rooms and outside catering. 2. Maintains communications with the kitchen team as well as with all other departments. 3. Liaises with restaurant or banquet service and chief steward. 4. Ensures that minimum standards and policies are followed. 5. Ensures that mise en place is ready before the service. 6. Ensures that all details are taken care of, in example, checks all setups for banquet functions. 7. Checks all setups for restaurant à la carte. 8. Ensures the quality and freshness of food is always up to the highest standard. 9. Checks constantly the taste, flavor, decor, and design of food served. 10. Ensures uniform appearance of food served in the hotel and maintains presentation and decoration standards. 11. Monitors portion control established with standard recipes. 12. Checks storerooms, refrigerators and freezers and is responsible for proper storing and recycling of food left over. 13. Checks quality control of incoming food, is constantly alert of freshness. Other duties: 1. To report for duty punctually wearing the correct uniform and name badge at all times. 2. To provide a courteous and professional service at all times. 3. To maintain good working relationship with colleagues and all other departments. 4. To have a complete understanding of and adhere to the hotel's policies relating to fire, hygiene, health and safety. 5. To maintain a high standard of personal appearance and hygiene at all times. 6. To have a complete understanding of the hotel's employee handbook and adhere to the regulation contained within. 7. To carry out any other reasonable duties and responsibilities as assigned. 8. To attend all training sessions/programs that are requested by the hotel's management. And there you have it, the Commis II Cook, a culinary apprentice on a journey to greatness, mastering the art of precision, organization, and continuous learning. We invite you to join us on this culinary journey, where every role in the kitchen, no matter how small, contributes to creating extraordinary dining experiences. If you found this training presentation insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Together, we'll continue to explore the fascinating world of culinary arts.